So in this video, we are required to simplify x minus 1 over 2, then y raised to the power 2. So I will have to rewrite this to make it easier. So I can write it as what? X minus 1 over 2, y is the same thing as y over 2, then raised to the power 2. So you just need to recall that if you have a square is the same thing as a times what? A. So x minus y over 2 square can be written as what? X minus y over 2 into bracket x minus y over 2. So all we just need to do is to open the bracket, okay? So we can use, just like the previous video, we can write x into bracket x minus y over 2, then minus y over 2 into bracket x minus y over 2. What I did here basically is I used the term in this bracket to open this. So I pick x to open this bracket and then pick minus y over 2 to open this bracket as well. So at the end of it, we have x times x, that is what? X squared. X times minus y over 2, that is minus xy over 2. Then minus y over 2 times x, that's minus xy over 2. Minus y over 2 times minus y over 2, that is plus what? Y square, then over what? Over 4. All right. So with this understanding, we have minus xy over 2 minus xy over 2. It's just like saying minus half xy minus half xy. That will give us minus xy. Or, okay, let's just do some simple simplification for this side alone. What's the LCM? That is 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 1 times minus xy, that is minus what? Xy. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 times minus xy, that is minus what? Xy. So the whole of this term has been reduced to this. So we have x squared minus xy, then plus y squared over 4. So we now have what? X squared minus xy minus xy, that's minus 2xy over 2 plus y squared over what? Over 4. So simplifying further, 2 cancel 2, so we have x squared minus xy, right, plus what? Y squared over 4. So that is that about that. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Don't just watch and leave, please. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.